Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oat granola. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees F and line a sheet with parchment. Combine oats, nuts, seeds, sweetener, oil, and spices in a bowl. Press the mix into an even layer and bake, stirring for chunkier clusters if desired. Cool completely to set clusters, then store in an airtight container. I'll share simple swaps and timing tips to get perfect granola every time. Start by choosing quality ingredients and measuring them precisely. Use 3 cups oats as a baseline and scale from there. Mix in half a cup of chopped nuts and a 1/4 cup of seeds for balance. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and 1/3 cup of honey or maple to bind. Season with a pinch of salt and a teaspoon of cinnamon, then stir until everything is evenly coated and ready to bake. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice for a surprisingly nice scent that pairs well with morning granola runs. I find it funny how a good-smelling car makes breakfast prep feel cozier. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Spread the granola evenly on the sheet and decide whether you want clusters or loose crumbs. Press firmly for clusters or leave airy for crisp bits. Bake for about 20 to 30 minutes, checking and rotating halfway for even color. If you like darker golden bits, watch closely in the last 5 minutes. Allow the pan to cool without disturbance to let clusters harden, then transfer to a jar or container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.